Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am Tian Uzumaki Clan. So in today's video we are going to have a race right there. It's a Herrick and oh, it's not a Herrick. It's a mythical. This dragon's name is Storyteller Dragon. So let's read its description. Hidden deep in the woods, the Storyteller Dragon recounts a twisted tale of romance, betrayal, and jealousy. Those who gather around will be cursed for eternity by his words, which can only be broken by an act of true love. Um, so you, if you, I can't remember what's the title of the story. I think is it Beauty and the Beast? No, no, it's not. Um, so I think it's Snow White, right? Yeah, the story it's similar to Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs or something. Sorry, my English is not that good, so please forget about that and keep focusing on our main topic, which is this game. Well, I can't imagine that I reach 622 million gold so fast like that. Okay, what's our mission right now? It's getting item by fitting your dragons. Sorry guys, I was having an issue with my throat. I was coughing. Um, okay. Um, let's see if we have any dragons to feed. Um, well, I guess I have to hatch an egg, and I'll feed this egg, this dragon. All right. This is called fitting in this game. Okay. If you are leveling up a dragon, that is considered as fitting your dragon. Okay, after fitting this dragon, I don't need this dragon, so I can sell it. But if you need that dragon, just keep it, okay? Do not sell it if you need the dragon. Alright? Okay, the next mission is get item by collecting gold. So the instruction is pretty clear. So you just need to collect gold in the habitat. That's all. Okay, let's move on to the next mission. So get item by collecting food. So in order to collect food, you need to grow food in here. So in order to get this huge food farm, so first of all, you will need to go to the shop. Can you see my mouse cursor? Okay, look at my mouse cursor, alright? Click on the shop on the bottom right. And now you will go to buildings. Because I have already purchased all of it, but if you have not, you can scroll to here. It should show you this one, food farm. So if you haven't bought it yet, it will show you the amount of gold you should spend for purchasing a food farm, and then you will place wherever you want. Okay, so after that, so my recommendation, my recommendation is um, I will go to this. Can you see this one? Grow food. Can scroll down and choose this one, Bluebell Bouquet. You know why I choose this? Because it only takes 30 seconds and then you can collect the food instead of uh, waiting for hours to collect food, which will waste your time, and that is not worth it for races like this. Okay, choose that for all of the food forms, and then can you see this one? Recrow all. You just need to click that, and that's it. Everything will be done easily. For those who are new to this game, you can download AutoClicker like this and set up for your task. But I will show you, I will instruct you how to do that manually. Okay, after crowing all of that, after following all of the instruction that I have told you guys, and now what you will want to do is you will adjust your screen. First of all, you will need to um, zoom in as far as possible, just to make sure that the size won't be changed in the future. Okay, this is the maximum zoom out, I will zoom in that I can do. So I will keep it like this, and just to be sure that you can see this island. Okay, so you can always check the island anytime you want. And then now, can you see the plus sign? All right, you just need to keep this this food icon in this position, and that's fine. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just place all of the circles on the food icon, the food image. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, after that, you will need to add one more, 15. You will place around here, I guess. Okay, let's figure that out. But on the 14, you will need to put it 1 second. Okay. Okay, can you see this? The 400. You will place the circle number 15 on this one. On this one, okay? Now you will hide all of the circles, and now you will click on this one, the negative 700 gold right there. I know that at first you might take some time to set this up, but believe me that this will come handy in the future because the following laps, the the higher laps you get, the more food you will need to collect. So just take some time at first, and then you'll be comfortable with this mission later on. Okay, can you see that? Easy, right? Very easy. Well, wait, hold on a second. Why did it show like that? Why did it show this screen? Okay, it's because my number 15 was set to 300 milliseconds. I don't want this to happen in the future. What I will do is I will change it to 31 seconds. Okay, when I hit OK, I hide all of the circles, And now I will click on the autoplay icon right there, and let's see what's happening what's happening this one. Okay, can you see that it collected all of the foods perfectly? There is no need to change for that. Okay, the only thing that you might consider to change is the time to collect the food. Okay, let's go back. Can you see all of the circles? You just need to click on the circle to each circle and change the time to 1 millisecond or 1 millisecond or 40 milliseconds is fine. Okay, let's change all of that. Yeah, please bear with me sometime. I know this is time consuming. But it's worth it. Okay, let's we are almost there. Okay, let's click here and change 40 milliseconds. 40 this will be the same. Okay, that should be remained the same. Okay. uh, wow, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see how fast it is to collect food right now? Okay, let's move on. Okay, before moving on to the next mission, I will need to show you something. Please click on this one, this icon, this settings icon. Okay, now you will name your configuration. I will name it collecting food video. Video. Okay, I will name it collecting food video, and I will hit on the OK button, and I will click on the anti detection and run indefinitely, and click on save. Now you will be able to see this collecting food video right at the bottom. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the next mission. Okay, we need to feed a dragon again. Okay, the tips. The only tip for this mission is once you see that if you um, level up by one level and you still don't see any items are collected, you should be good to go, and you should be at the pool or something. Okay, you see right there, get item by feeding your dragons. It's now 5/6, and um, I am now on the wait cycle. Okay, what I mean by that is, okay, please follow my instruction. Hold on a second. Okay, what I mean by that is, can you see the website right there is ditlab.com? Okay, click on the storyteller Herrick race. It should be mythical race, but whatever. So just scroll down, and as you can see right there, the feed dragons. Um, number 6, pull 5, and wait for 5 minutes. So I am now needing to wait for 5 minutes in order to obtain the item through feeding my dragon. Okay, but I don't want to wait, so you can go ahead and click on the finish node 1, and that's it. And now let's go to the node 5 missions. Okay, now you will need to fight. Click on fight, select, and choose a random any dragon you want. I will Okay. Okay, I'll choose that. Alright. That doesn't matter. Okay, I will change it to X2 because I'm going to use my cheat. Okay, let's go. Oh, look at the background. The background looks great, man. It looks mysterious and it looks like ancient Egypt. Is it ancient Egypt? I don't know, but I feel that way. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Look at all the items. They are thrown perfectly. Okay, let's move on to our script. You can go ahead and click on the event battle skip and click on this one because we need to wait for 15 minutes. So we need to skip 15 minutes. Do not click on the anti-reload and click on OK button. So um, after clicking on that button, you will need to wait for the menu to pop up again. And yeah, in the meantime, you just need to wait. Okay, just need to wait on the screen. We we are waiting for around 25 seconds, I believe. I don't remember. Okay, just wait. Okay, after seeing this menu screen pop up, we can go ahead and click on the back button and click on fight. Now we should be good to go. Hi, it's Amna. Okay, now click on any attack that you want. You should be good to go. Voila, I'm done with the first mission. Okay, um, that's all for today's video. Because if I race for 5 laps continuously, I don't think anyone can watch my video for hours. I don't want that to happen. Okay, and so I will stop my video right now and I will post my lap 2 um, tomorrow. I hope you will get my point because from lap 1 to lap 5 there is nothing special. You can see the lap rewards. So shining small, shiny medium, um, and that's it. There's nothing special between um, in these laps. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. If you find my video entertaining and informative, please hit the like button for my video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.